Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to correct the incorrect spelling or the spelling mistakes in the Word document with a single click. You can see that there are different words that are highlighted by the red line below that have the incorrect spelling. So how to correct these words in a single click? So follow the steps. First of all, select all of your data, then go to the Review tab, and then select Spelling and Grammar tab. Here, all the words with the incorrect spelling are selected automatically. You just need to select the correct one. Now, just press Change All. The next incorrect word will be selected automatically. Just press Change All. You can see all of your Word document has now the correct spelling, and there is no word with the incorrect spelling. Thank you for watching.